Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain you how to configure Windows 10 virtual machine on your VMware Workstation. So let's see. So first you can need to go to your VMware Workstation. Then you need to go to the File tab and create a new virtual machine. You can select the custom or typical. If you require some another additional information, then you can go with the custom. Or if you not do anything, then you can recommend it by the typical. So I'm just go with the typical. Just click on next and go to the installer disk file. So you need to install Windows 10, then you have to require a iOS file of Windows 10. So I'm just going to select the iOS file latest Windows 10, which is I have already downloaded. I will provide you the download link on your description. Okay, so just click on next. Then you choose your Windows 10 machine name. So I'm just Windows 10. I just Windows 10. Okay, then you can select the location, which by default this location is selected by the VMware Workstation, which is a C drive user and OneDrive, and suppose that this type of user, but you need to configure the custom Windows 10 machine. So I'm just clicking on browser and I create a new folder on my another drive like this D VM machine and create a one new folder from this Windows Win 10. Okay, just select on Windows 10 and OK. Then click on next. After that, you can ask this is asking for the capacity of the disk. You just click on the capacity. By default, is taking a 60 GB. You will need to require as per your hardware requirement like 80 GB or 100 GB. But I'm go with the default. So I'm select on the here is the store virtual disk is as a single file. So or is a multiple file. So splitting the disks make it easier to move the virtual machine from another computer. So we need to go with the split file. So I'm click on split and next and choose the hardware. So if you want to add something or you can additional hardware like I just show you, like you can add one more processor, one more core. So I'm just add one core also and increase the memory or from 8 GB. Okay, so just click on OK and finish. Once you have finished, this Windows 10 machine is automatically started like this. I'm just finished and this showing started. Now click on press any key for this. Meanwhile, it is taking some time to configure around 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you got the Windows 10 machine. So like this, you can select the here the language of installation. So English and time of currency. I'm just choosing the India like this. Click here and click on next. Once click on next, you got this prompt install now. So I'm just click on install now. Once you have clicked on install now, the setup is starting. So it's take around it is asking for the key, so you can skip it for now. So you just next. I don't have a product key, so I'm just selected this. You can install the product key after the installation and you can choose the operating system you want to install. So I'm just click on Windows 10 Professional 64 GB, or you can choose as per your education or something. So I'm just clicking the Windows 10 Professional and click on next. After that, you can accept the license and notification. Click on I accept the license terms and condition. Just click next. Then you can go to the custom. You choose the hard disk. So I'm just choose the hard disk for this. I'm creating a whole partition for new. So I'm just clicking next. So it's take around 5 minutes for complete the process. Once it's done, you got the Windows 10 machine. So you see this is a completed and getting the ready. So the file process installation everything is done. Now is going to the getting ready. Okay. So after few minutes it's come to up and you are able to access on Windows 10 machine on VMware Workstation. So let's see. It's take few minutes more. Now it's asking for choose the region. So I'm just choosing the India by default. Yes, click yes. Then just a moment, you select the keyboard layout. So India, I'm selecting India and click on yes. Then skip it. Okay. I don't have a internet, so click on I don't have internet here, and then connect now. So in this time, this machine is not getting internet, so I'm just clicking continue the limited setup, and now we have some important setup to do. After a few seconds or few minutes, you will able to access your Windows 10 machine. Sit back to relax while other work on magic. Yeah, it's showing something. So I will get this information from the Windows machine. Please don't turn off your device. In this situation, you don't remove your power button or you make sure your electricity is coming the EPS side. So you got the without interruption to installation. You get So I will tell you one more thing. So when you have to see that the internet is not working on this machine, so I am just go to the my machine properties and settings, just select on network adapter and choose the LAN segment. So we are choosing the LAN segment of firewall LAN because this machine behind of our FortiGate firewall, which is this one. So if you want to not behind this firewall, you just select the bridge. So once you have select the bridge mode, your machine is getting the internet. So I'm just select the bridge and OK, click on OK. So just a moment. Yeah, so it's asking to create the PC. So I'm just creating a admin admin and click on next. Then password also admin, select next. Choose the confirm password, select admin and next. Security tips, you want to choose a Wi-Fi city is born in Delhi, so I'm choosing this Delhi. Click on security. 2 is choose child nickname is choose anything you want to add. I'm just adding admin. Security. 3rd is why does the child or attend. I'm select just formality. We want to continue this admin. Select this one. You want to choose the correct security answer for roll back your password if you have forget it. So always access to your recently browsing data is not now. Click on the default setting location. Yes, something you want to choose to enable it, or otherwise not. So just accept by default settings. Choose nothing. We can skip it. Not now. So now see this. Now is welcoming to you. Hi, we are getting the everything ready for you. Just a few seconds, you got the Windows 10 machine. Okay, so now its browse website is going to continue. Now its Windows 10 is configured successfully on virtual machine. Just clicking here. Start without your data. Continue. Continue without browsing. Why? Okay, so now you access the internet on this machine. Try to access. Yeah. So now you are able to access the internet. So Windows 10 is successfully installed. So that's it in this video. So if you like my video, please subscribe our channel and like and comments, and please don't forget to click on the bell icon for more informative video in our channel. So thank you so much for watching our video.